going to look at the all-important and most anticipated vlog, the moles vlog.
Oh, I'm excited about this.
So a mole is nothing complicated, it's just a number. For example, we have names for other numbers in English, like a dozen would be
12,
trio,
3,
quartet,
4.
a mole.
Ah, a mole is a very, very large number.
Oh,
And the number is contained in one mole is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23.
now that is a massive number.
And it's got a special name. It's called Avogadro's number.
And I'm guessing Avogadro is the man who worked it out.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Not avocado.
Oh.
Now, the good thing is that GCSE chemistry, you don't need to know Avogadro's number, but you need to understand that one mole of a substance contains a very large number of atoms.
Okay. Now, because chemists wanted to keep things very simple, unkindly for us, what they've done is worked out what the mass of one mole of every substance is. And that number is the same as the atomic mass of that element.
Oh, excellent.
For example, 1 mole of carbon will have a mass of 12 grams. It's always in grams, okay? Whereas 1 mole of magnesium atoms will have a mass of 24 grams.
Oh, I think that's very straightforward, Dr. Bourne.
Now, Miss McLaren, one for you. If 1 mole is 24 grams, 2 moles would be...
2 times 24, which gives you 48 grams.
Correct. It's easier and easier.
Fabulous.
What if we don't have atoms, but we have a compound?
Ah, you mean like something like carbon dioxide?
Absolutely.
Which has actually got an MR of 44.
So if I had 2 moles of carbon dioxide, how much would that weigh in
Well,
grams?
it would be 2 times 44, which would be 88 grams. Is that correct, Dr. Bourne?
It's not only correct, but it's sounding very straightforward to me. So I just have to multiply either the atomic mass or the molecular mass by the number of moles to get the mass of the substance.
Correct. So, for example, if it was 0.1 moles of carbon dioxide, it would be 0.1 times 44, which gives you 4.4 grams.
Oh, good Lord, you've
I
got a
think
bit
I've got
complicated
the
there, Miss
idea.
McLaren. Pass me a pen, and then I'll be able to do
here we go.
something on the board.
Pleasure's
Now,
all mine.
let's make this simple again.
Yes.
So, if we have the MR of a substance, that's the molecular mass, and we multiply it by the number of moles,
Correct.
that will give us the mass in grams.
Oh, yes, that's very straightforward.
And I can turn that into one of our very helpful triangles.
And that
we
means
know and love.
three-sided.
Very good, yes. And instead of that times there, I can put a little line here, because that's what we normally have. So if I want to know the mass of something, I multiply these two numbers together.
Oh, perfect. So mass equals MR of the substance times the number of moles. Is that correct?
And there's an easy way of remembering this triangle, because it says Mr. Mole on the bottom, and we know that Mr. Mole lives under the ground and he produces a mass on the top.
Oh, fantastic. I'll remember that now.
Forever. Now, what if you wanted to work out the number of moles of something? How would you
So the
do
number
that?
of moles would be mass divided by MR.
It
That's
could
very
not
easy.
be simpler, right?
Oh, fantastic.
Now, Miss McLaren, you're going to have trouble with this, because do you have any moles in Scotland?
Well, I don't believe we have, but we have something even more special.
Oh, let's
Just give me one moment. We don't have moles in Scotland because Countess Kiki has got rid of them.
And I think she knows all about moles now.
Yes, and I think we all understand moles much better, Dr. Bourne. Thank you.
Thank you.